Welcome back to this video. One of the greatest enemies that cause you views on your YouTube video is you posting the video in a wrong time. That is the time that your viewers are not available on YouTube. If you post video in this period of time when your viewers are not on YouTube, you are likely not to get any view. And one thing about YouTube video is that first few impression is matter most in every video you post on your YouTube. Imagine you have about 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and you post your video in a wrong time when your subscribers are not even available on YouTube, and in less than 24 hours, in less than 6 hours after you post the video, you find out that you have just 2 views. And this is a lot of issues that a lot of YouTubers are faced. Whether you are a small YouTuber, consider to watch this from beginning to the end and see how to avoid posting your video in a wrong time. Let me show you how. When you open up your YouTube, then next thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. So I'm going to simply come down below right there and click on my YouTube studio. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to come to analytics right there. Click on analytics. Then it's going to take you right here. Looking good. Your channel view we are slightly higher than usual in the last 28 days. This is because of the fact that I post my video in the right time. So the next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to audience tab. All right, so it's going to take you to your audience tab right here. Here you have your returning viewers, then you have your unique viewers, and you have your subscriber. What you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. And then when your viewers are on YouTube, this statistics here is very much important because this determines how you get your first views immediately you post your video. If you take a look at this particular graph right here, now for every graph right here that has in a full purple, it simply means that the time at your viewers are available on YouTube, the right time you need to post. Now, if you post in any of this one that is gray right here, few of your viewers are on YouTube. So this simply means that if you post in this type of time, this is a wrong time. This is just an example for my channel. So you have to check on your channel also and relate what I'm showing you right here with your channel. So if you have something like this, very few of your viewers are on YouTube. So it simply means that anything from this particular time right here on my channel, I should not post if I need massive view in my first posting right here. So just like so. So anything from 12 a.m. down to 6 a.m. is a very bad period for me to post on YouTube, because once I post this type of time, I will not get more views. So if you really want to get more views as far as YouTube video is concerned, make sure you post as at the time when your viewers are available on YouTube, which is this particular deep pop right here. Most of your viewers are on YouTube. So just like what you see right here, it's that simple. Just make sure that you understand this particular graph statistics right here, which has to do with the time your viewers are on YouTube and the time they are not on YouTube. That will tell you the actual time you need to post your video and push it to them. Then YouTube will push the video to all the subscribers, feeds, and the notification bell. It's that simple. Then from there, you get more views, more subscribers from new viewers, more revenue to your assets account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.